Welcome to History and Highballs, brought to you by the North Carolina Museum of History. Today I'm going to show you a craft cocktail I call the Bellamy Mansion. And I've used as many North Carolina products as possible, so it's going to be delicious. First, we're going to muddle mint, mango, and honeysuckle flower. The mint comes from History of the Harvest, which is a live outdoor exhibit at the Museum of History. If you throw a few cubes of ice in on top of what you're going to muddle, it helps macerate it. Macerate. It's a cool word, right? And bring out the essential oils. Next, we're going to top off with ice and add the liquor. You can use anywhere from 1.5 ounces to 2.5 to 3 ounces, depending on how strong you like your drink. Next, we'll add fresh lime juice, approximately 2 ounces. Then I've also made a mint simple syrup. Typically, simple syrup is 1:1 water to sugar. I went a little lighter on this because this rum is distilled with a cane sugar and molasses, so it has a sweetness on its own in addition to the mango, the sugar in the mango. So I really just wanted the mint flavor and just a little bit of sugar. Top off with some more ice. Throw it in the mixer. And before you pour it in the glass, you want to go ahead and salt the rim with this Cape Hatteras sea salt and Mike D's barbecue spice. Really try to get it on the outer edge of the rim, just so as you're drinking, you actually get the full mix of the sweet, sour, the aromatics, spice, and the salt. So pour the drink back into the salted glass, hopefully not taking off too much of the salt. Have a lime garnish in case it needs a little more acid. Some more fresh honeysuckle, oh my. And then a fresh sprig of mint. There you are. Thanks for joining us for History and Highballs, and cheers. We'll see you next time. Whoa!